Top Gun. They're closed right now. Check out this Crown Royal barrel. Pretty sweet, huh? Seating. Oh, those are cool. Jack Daniels. Jack Daniels. Jack Daniels. Jack Daniels. Double barreled. Double barreled. Oh, I can't wait till this place opens up. This is freaking awesome. And you can watch over here. This is a restaurant. You can sit over here and watch people shoot. Rent for $20 an hour, or if you're changing lanes with somebody, you can shoot with somebody. Pick your gun and away you go. Boy, I can't wait to do this. You can see how Willie did. He's got a standing right in the middle.